All right, guys, we're back at it again, or about to be. Rained on us again yesterday. It's threatening rain today, so we're gonna get out here and get to work. And I don't know, work till we get too tired to work or get rained out. We're up almost 13 feet. 20 more feet to go, and we'll be at the top, and I can start covering this up and get ready for insulation. So it's a lot down, but a lot left to do. So I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna load up the front of this backhoe with some lumber and get ready to go and see if I can't make some progress before the rain gets here. All right, we're trying something a little different. We've got a bunch of 16-foot tongue and groove, the 2x6s instead of the 8-footers. Didn't have enough to do it all, but we're getting to the point now where we can really start using the 16-footer. So she's over there cutting squaring up the ends on the 16-footers, and she's going to be bringing them around over here. We're going to try going up with those. That should speed this thing up. I have got a huge blister on my foot, and it's working on me pretty good. So we're going to try to minimize the trips across the roof of the house. So this up here. So that's what we're doing. We're working on trying to utilize these 16-foot long 2x6s instead of the 8s. So let's see how this works out. All right, here we go. All right, let's go trim off the rafter tails. I say the rafter tails. Let's go trim off the rafters at the peak. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. I know some of you miss being up here with me. Getting to see this from way up here. I sure don't miss it. Okay. Now the trick is, walking around without sliding off. That's not going to be any fun on this other side. I'm going to have to come up here with an air hose or something. Oh. All right. Whew, a ridgepole's slippery. chain keeps working its way loose. This is getting extremely slippery on my feet. Okay, let's try it from this side. Have to keep stopping because my foot's sliding. My legs are just about shot. I can manage to get this last one. Okay. Now I can just walk across all this sawdust and try to make it down. Controlled. It's funny how this part of the roof feels so flat, and it's actually a 6 and 12 pitch. So it's not flat. One more step complete. Well, we almost got finished before the weather shut us down. We've had 2 days of rain now. Almost, you can see that. One little spot at the top, and it'll be finished. Got about 3 rows on either side. And that's it, it'll be done. We'll come back and get those last couple of rows put on, and then I'll put the underlayment down. I'm gonna have to give this a couple of days to make sure it's good and dry. Sun gets back on it, it'll dry out in 2 days, it'll be fine. Put the underlayment down, and then it's time to start working on insulation and getting the rest of the roof done. It's a long, slow, drawn out process, but it's just part of it. I do have a guy that's gonna come help me do the insulation in the metal. We're probably gonna get started on it here in, I don't know, I have to wait and let this dry out within the next week or so, and I'll be working on that. So I'm just going to be working on other things now. I haven't mowed, I haven't done anything out here in a while. I got a lot of regular farm stuff to take care of. There's always something to do out here. But we're closing in on the house. Get this roof taken care of, and I can figure out how I'm going to close the gable ends in and just keep going from there.